Hey everybody, remember this? Tightening up, fixing the imperfections. Look at the chamfer 45 going around my trim. Look at the ceiling. They got the floor all scraped up. They're gonna put epoxy floor in here. Look at that chamfer 45 degree right there. Getting rid of the plate board. That way we can dry lock the walls and watch the basement continue to be a good basement. Look at them lights. Look at them lights, straight in line. Look at this. Good quality service every time. Just check out the pro you need to know. Look at this. Go back and look at the videos and you'll see what it was to what it is. Please like, share, subscribe, follow, and watch my videos as I will inform you to quality construction every time. Yeah. We try not to leave out any good, important pointers. There's your cold air return. There's your diffusers. This is all primer right now, getting ready for them to come up with a color for the paint. And then we'll make it pop. Till next time, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks. God bless.